India is emerging as the preferred manufacturing hub across the globe. And the key driver of this change is our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of Make in India. The main focus of this initiative is to attract foreign investments and create job opportunities in our country. Inspired by this, the Ministry of Shipping launched the Sagarmala program to promote port-based industrialization. Many major steps are taken in this direction, and one of the game changers is the JNPT Special Economic Zone. A one-of-a-kind 277-hectare multi-product SEZ is being developed adjacent to Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, India's #1 container port. Being strategically placed close to Mumbai, the economic capital of India, the JNPT SEZ enjoys excellent last-mile connectivity and cost-effective logistics due to its proximity to the port. In addition to this, easy access to affordable and knowledgeable workforce will give a competitive edge to businesses at the SEZ. JNPT SEZ is meticulously designed and will host world-class, state-of-the-art infrastructure, making it a smart SEZ. This cutting-edge industrial zone is spread across 277 hectares of freehold land. The processing zone has been developed for export-oriented sectors consisting of electronics, electrical equipment, auto components, auto, pharmaceuticals, and food processing, amongst others. Also, substantial space is reserved for the micro, small, and medium enterprise sector. This project has already generated interest from many companies, and the first 6 plots have been allocated to MSME companies.
Simosis International is an export company. We are exporting spices, grains, millets, and all the agro commodities. Opting for an SEZ is the best option for us because SEZ provides the ideal environment for a 100% export company. JNPT authorities were very cooperative from the word go. They have very proactive approach. They were ready to take all the initiatives to promote this project. MSME is the backbone of Indian economy because it is the biggest employment generator. So it is rightly said that MSME is the engine of growth for India.
JNPT SEZ, being less than 5 km away from JNPT, has a geocentric advantage. The port on one hand provides easy access to 200 plus global connections and direct connectivity to USA, and on the other hand promises connectivity to the hinterlands with its network of dry ports and satellite ports, assuring just-in-time imports and exports. The project is well connected to National Highway's Golden Quadrilateral, and transportation will be facilitated further with the upgradation of 6 to 8 lane roads. The upcoming Siuri-Nahwa Road connecting eastern Mumbai will also be joining near JNPT SEZ area. And the direct connectivity to dedicated railway freight corridors will facilitate easy movement of consignments.
So Oilfield Warehousing Services Limited, it's a specialized services provider for the oil and gas sector in India. See, oil and gas is a very capital intensive business where mostly rental equipment is coming into the country. JNPT SEZ is actually a very important investment for us from a strategic point of view as well as from a long-term sustainability point of view, because since our focus is primarily on companies who are looking to import goods into the country and for us to export services to such countries, JNPT was a very vital and necessary addition to our bouquet of service offerings.
The JNPT SEZ offers attractive financial benefits leading to competitiveness for the unit holders, like duty-free imports and domestic procurement of goods for development, operation and maintenance, stamp duty exemption, zero-rated GST on procurement of goods and services, 100% income tax exemption on export income for the first 5 years under Section 10AA of the Income Tax Act. 50% for next consecutive 5 years, and 50% of the plowed back export profit for next 5 years. The SEZ unit holders are also eligible for external commercial borrowing of up to $500 million in a year without any maturity restriction through recognized banking channels. JNPT SEZ project has come a long way since its inauguration in August 2014 by our Honorable Prime Minister. The development is now in the advanced stage and is expected to be completed by December 2018. SEZ notification, environmental clearance, special planning authority status and other statutory clearance have been secured. Power and water supply provisions are made. Master planning and detailed engineering is completed. All civic authorities and stakeholders have been onboarded. Utilities are being developed by reputed EPC and PMC consultants in full swing. All the relevant permissions for the authorized operations and construction activities are in place. One of the key highlights is the readiness of the land parcel for immediate construction activities by a tenant. The JNPT SEZ is a gateway to opportunities. The project holds a promising future for India and especially the neighboring ecosystem of Nhava Sheva. There will be an overall infrastructural development with the upcoming Navi Mumbai Airport and residential townships. The final operationalization of JNPT SEZ will attract investments worth 7,000 crore rupees and generate over 1.25 lakh direct and indirect job opportunities. The JNPT SEZ is confident of setting new benchmarks in port-led industrialization and taking Indian economy to new heights. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, SEZ. Let's anchor the global trade together.